This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and backups. Make sure your device supports micro SD and that a formatted SD card is inserted. Once done, back up any critical photos to cloud or a computer so nothing is lost during the switch. Now open the camera app and tap its gear icon or go to Settings Storage to locate photo storage options. This gets you to the control point where you can choose storage targets. Act now so the app recognizes the card. Next, set the SD card as your default save location. In camera settings, find storage location or save to and pick SD card. This tells the camera to write new photos to the card. Make sure to grant any permissions the system asks for so the app can access external storage. If you don't see the choice, go to Settings, Apps, Camera Permissions, or Storage to adjust. Once selected, take a test photo to ensure the camera writes to the card rather than internal memory. Finally, move existing photos and verify everything works. Open Files or Gallery, select Albums or Images, choose Move to or Copy to, then pick the SD card destination. This frees internal space and centralizes storage. After moving, test multiple new photos and verify they land on the SD card. If photos fail to save or disappear, reformat the SD card with the phone or check compatibility. Reinsert or replace the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.